Hi YouTubers, it's Evan next video now. So anyway, I want to do a video now because I have to update you guys on something very important. So most people by now have probably watched or will watch my video on the whole DMCA crap. And obviously I still think it's crap, but I want to update you guys because I recently found about 5 minutes ago a article, and I really want to share this crap with you guys because I think it's going to calm down a lot of people. So a lot of people are already freaking out on YouTube, saying this is the end of YouTube, this is the end of Twitch. As we know it, the internet is ending. So I want to spend maybe 5 minutes calming people down, and I already said in that video, the video I made before this, that my previous video, that I was already trying to calm people down because, the YouTube doomsday people are all over this shit already. They're already over this crap. There's tons and tons and tons of videos on freaking YouTube about this crap. So I want to spend a few minutes talking about this article I found. Now, I'm not going to link the article just because I don't want to get in trouble with copyright, but I can't show it because of copyright. I can't show the actual page, but I want to tell you guys it's on theverge.com, theverge.com. Basically, this is a article titled "New Felony Streaming Measure is Aimed at Piracy Services, Not Twitch Streamers," and then it says, but that doesn't mean all copyright changes are harmless. Then it has a picture, nice big ass picture like the big ass cigar, and basically with just summing up in the first few paragraphs is, I'm not going to read the entire thing, I mean, that would just be a load of bullshit, is basically what it's saying is, it's the actual bill itself has definitely passed along with the new COVID stimulus check. It was part of that whole bill, and the entertainment industry has been pushing this for years. So groups like RIAA, the movie companies, the film companies, they have been pushing this crap for years. And finally it did get passed, and a lot of people say, well, that's the end of YouTube. YouTube is dead, Twitch is dead, we should all just go home and sit on our ass like the big ass cigar. But what it's basically saying in the first few paragraphs is this bill, which would make it a felony to illegally stream material, is directed towards the facilitators, if I'm understanding it right. And I'm not a freaking lawyer, I'm not a freaking professional, I don't work for any big software company, so don't take this as freaking legal advice. So basically what it's saying is, it's targeting the facilitators of these companies, which they should be targeting, not the individual users. So people might be wondering, oh, if you upload a stream, is that against the law? And the answer is yes. According to this, it's a misdemeanor. It's a misdemeanor offense. But this bill, which will make it a felony, will apparently go after the facilitators, like the people who own the company and, who are providing you access to the service, not the individual users, if I'm understanding it right. And again, I'm not a fucking lawyer. So anyway, then it goes on to say, basically, again, this is going to target more the people who own the websites as opposed to people who use them. And it's still telling you that streaming illegal material is still wrong, which it is. It's damn wrong. I mean, it's damn wrong. I mean, you should not be streaming entire albums, entire TV shows. I mean, if you're doing that kind of crap, you're obviously breaking the law, and you're at least committing a misdemeanor, and you're at least liable for if somebody chooses to sue you, sue your ass like the big ass cigar. But it's saying to people, calm down. This is more directed at the people who are owning these websites. If there is a known pirated website, like there used to be a website called piratesbay.com or piratesbay.org or whatever, that kind of crap, that's the people who they're going to be going after these felony charges, is the people who own these pirated websites. Also, I want to talk about what I read right here is, they say don't rest easy right now because there are still parts of the bill that suck. There's still parts of the bill they're bad, they're crappy. Basically, it could still allow civil penalties of up to $30,000. Again, probably like COPPA, you're a big company, you upload a bunch of copyright material, you choose to completely fuck up your channel, yes, you could get a $30,000 lawsuit. If you're a small-time creator with 1,000 subscribers, it's not going to be like that. So obviously not damn legal advice for the last damn time. So, yeah, it could result in civil penalties to the Copyright Office or, trademark patent of up to $30,000 in damages, which is called non-willful infringement for, for pirating works. And then the last thing it says, this is the last thing I want to talk about, is it says basically next year in 2021, there'll be a new bill that will kind of, if I'm understanding it right, I'm not 100% sure, and don't take this as legal advice. Don't take this as freaking legal advice. This is not legal advice. I'm not a copyright attorney. If you have actual questions, if you're worried about getting sued, contact your local attorney. It's like, don't look to Smoking Essie, don't look to Evan, fucking Evan, about getting your legal advice. So, anyway. Yeah, it says something about, how this new bill will totally, mess up, the whole YouTube Content ID system and will change the way that the Content ID system works and make it more stricter or do something to it, really screw it up altogether. So, yeah. So the good news is this whole scary felony, going to prison, not the case. I mean, if you stream an entire album on Twitch, as of right now, and another thing is this article says, and I wish I could link it, but I don't want to risk linking copyright material, is on YouTube, is this does not change anything going forward. So if you are already streaming copyright material on Twitch or YouTube, that's already a criminal offense. That's already against the law, both civilly and criminally. It's already a misdemeanor, and you could already be sued for doing that kind of shit, And what it says is this whole scary felony thing, this is going to be aimed at these facilitators of these pirated websites, not you yourself, the user. So if you're purposely going to pirate websites, you're purposely, listening to all kinds of, you get the point. So I think you get the freaking point by this point is, yeah, you accidentally click on a video that has, unlicensed copyright work, you're not going to get, thrown in federal prison by the FBI for, 10 years. I mean, obviously don't sue my ass if that happens to you. But what I'm trying to get across is the big boy felony charges, those will be filed against the people who own these stupid websites, these stupid pirate services, and allow this BS to happen on their services, and allow people to upload all this crap on their service. But the people who are just, sitting on the computer, playing Fortnite or playing Call of Duty or playing Modern Warfare, playing, Fallout 3, on their ass, like the big ass cigar, those people are already committing a misdemeanor, and those people, it doesn't really change much. It really doesn't change jack crap for those people because those people are already breaking the law to begin with, but they won't face any upgraded charges. I guess that's what I'm trying to say is, for the individual users or people who might, watch a Twitch stream of people, playing a game, yeah, that's already illegal. That's already hasn't changed. And honestly, people might find it really interesting. People might find it really, really, freaking interesting. Oh, streaming, copyright material on Twitch is already a criminal offense. And that's right. Is like when you upload an entire effing album, that's already a criminal offense. And honestly, there's not enough resources, there's not enough, police or FBI or BS to catch everybody, and a lot of people get away with it. But you can still be prosecuted. For the individual user, bottom line, what I'm trying to say after almost 10 minutes is, for the individual users, for the people who might click on a YouTube video, it's not, this whole scary felony law doesn't do crap to you. It's the people who are operating these services, people who are running these stupid BS pirate websites, who are facilitating these pirate services. Those are the people who are going to be in deep, deep, deep dog shit. So anyway, that's the point I want to try to make. And for the last freaking time, I am not a lawyer. This is not legal advice. Get your information from your own qualified attorney. I don't work for YouTube. I don't work for Twitch. This is simply purely general information. But if you want to find the article, you can find it through Google News. Just Google DMCA in capitals or all caps, and you'll find it on theverge.com. So, and I think it will calm you down a little bit. So, anyway, Big Ass Your Life, pretty freaking cool. Bye.